Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, you're awesome. Good morning to you. Today we're going to add on more to our dance. Let's review what we did yesterday. Stand with your feet in first position. Our arms went to first position, up to fifth, open to second, en bas. One wing floats up. You can look at that wing. Float down. Other wing up, float down. Let's do it again. First, fifth, second, en bas. One wing up, float down. Up, float down. Great. So next, you're going to dance all around yourself on a high level for 4 counts. You can make up your own dance. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now you're going to freeze up high for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So now let's put this all together